Hi everyone. Today, usap naman tayo about unlearning because real growth isn't just about learning something new. It's also about letting go of your own beliefs na hindi na healthy para sa'yo. Let's talk about what I had to unlearn, especially now that I'm in my 30s, studying abroad, and basically restarting my life again. Akala ko dati, kapag hindi ka successful by age 30, parang ending na. Tapos na yung, what do you call this? Tapos na yung journey mo. And I used to feel that kind of pressure na dapat by 30, may sarili ka ng bahay, your own car, and then you also have your career title. Na dapat meron na ako lahat ng yun. And na also I am always what do you call this, productive, composed, and parang tama na yung path na tinatahak ko. Pero hindi ganun ang nangyari. When I came here to New Zealand and became a student again, it was like life handed me a mirror and said, okay, Faith, let's break some old beliefs. And grabe, unlearning, masakit siya. Hindi siya Instagrammable, sa totoo lang. It felt like shedding skin. Literal na umiiyak ako every night. Kasi hindi pala lahat ng pinaniniwalaan ko noon ay totoo. So, while studying here in New Zealand, here's what I had to unlearn. First, you don't need to always be right. Yes, dati, I would be so shy to ask questions, or most of the time avoid asking question kasi people would think that you are not good, that you don't know things. But here in New Zealand, I have to ask questions because I had to admit when I didn't understand what they are trying to say to me. And I also have to admit na hindi lahat ng bagay alam ko na kasi bago pa lang ako dito eh, 'di ba? And second realization would be it's totally okay to make mistakes. At 30, I thought na I have figured out everything already. Alam ko na kasi 'di ba, first 20 years ng buhay natin we spend our time to school. So parang that years would be enough para maging equip ka na ng mga dapat mong matutunan. But um sa school where I'm currently studying, I still made errors. I still revise things. I still get a lot of feedback from my professor. And you know what? That's always a part of learning. And then the third one would be you don't have to please everyone. I used to say yes to everybody kahit pagod na ako. And ngayon, I'm learning to set boundaries to protect my peace. Kasi way back home, 'di ba? Kontrolado mo na kasi yung ano mo eh, yung time mo, and that's your comfort zone when I was in the Philippines. So I have much time to spend with others, but when I came here in New Zealand, I have to do my time management, na I have to uh, allot time for myself, for studies, for work, and not so much with the gala anymore because, there are a lot of things on my plate. And aside from that, um, when I came here in New Zealand, this is a multi-diverse, or I mean multicultural and really diverse country kasi you will get to meet different people with different nationalities. And that's totally okay if you understand each other, if you don't, and that's just a part of life. It will not cost you so much kung hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan. But I mean, just be respectful still to each other. And lastly, being too hard on myself doesn't make me stronger. Yes, and yes, because imagine the downgrade that I had to do. Like when I came here, syempre, we are eager to find work kasi that will help us like at least, 'di ba, lessen the worry of cost of living dito sa New Zealand kasi it's like when you earn dollars, you also spend in dollars. So, alam mo 'yon, malaki rin talaga yung expenses. But what I'm trying to say here is that I really have, and you really have to be kind to yourself. Lalo na pag nasa abroad ka. Kasi whether may friends ka dito, yes, may second family ka. Di ba? At the end of the day, sarili mo pa rin yung aasahan mo. So, alam mo yun, I know that there are a lot of things on my plate at the moment. And that's why I have to learn how to spend time for myself as well na hindi laging hard work lahat ng bagay. Like, yes, when you go to like work and you do your school works, you really have to give your best. But what I'm trying to say is hindi ka magiging bayani if you always put so much hard on yourself without valuing na kailangan mo rin namang magpahinga without, considering kung ano ba yung kailangan mo as a person, kailangan ng katawan mo na magpahinga. And with that being said, unlearning is a part of healing. And healing, that's part of adulting. So if you're in a season right now na parang binabaklas mo lahat ng old beliefs, old rules mo para sa sarili mo, let it happen. You're not falling apart. You're falling into a healthier version of you. And thank you so much for listening up until this stage. And we'll see you in the next episode.